Hey YouTube, thanks for stopping by to check out my channel. What I'll be talking about here today is a platform that I've been trading on for the last couple of years called QoimZYF-TRADE. And I found it to be a really reliable and actually innovative platform regarding trading. And you'll see some of the reasons why. But the reason that I'm doing this is that I actually want to gather other traders on this platform and have our own kind of a private video group where we're online sharing and testing, et cetera, et cetera. So down below you'll find a link. It's a promo link. Currently they're offering $200 for you if you open a trading account. You'll have to look at the details, but what's unique about Composer is that you have both a traditional brokerage account. You can also have IRA account within the stocks portion of it, and they also have crypto trading. So that's kind of unusual to see it both on one trading platform. So what I'm going to do today is since the crypto is a recent feature, I'd like to go into it a little bit to show you what's possible. Okay, so let's choose crypto. And this is what it looks like when you open a new Symphony. I'll just change a little setting here. I won't go into the details of everything, but you'll see as I build this how it works. So let's call this one BTC Dominance. All right, and first thing we'll do is we'll put an asset in. It'll be Bitcoin, and let's just see what Bitcoin has done we'll choose for since January of 21. Let's take a look. All right, so here you can see the S&P 500 in pink and Bitcoin in gold. All right, what has been our average annualized return is 16% with a 77% drawdown. Ooh, that's a hard one. So could do that. You could get in here and just let it ride, but that's not what the whole idea of algorithmic trading is. So we're going to do some improvement on that. So we're going to use conditions to start to improve this. All right, so let's take moving average of return. This is pretty simple. I'm going to do 50 days. And what it does is it takes the daily gains or losses over the last 50 days and averages them. That will give us the moving average of return. And this will be for Bitcoin. We're going to say we want it to be greater than 0%. All right, that's all we're looking for there. So if we do that, we'll add Bitcoin in here. Click. And then when this isn't true, we just want to be in Tether. So we'll go USDT. Okay, Tether. Let's see what that does. So we have 16 with a 76.6 drawdown. Let's see. Oh wow, that's not that great. It made our gain less, but also our drawdown was less too. So that didn't quite do it. Let's improve on this. So we can actually have nested conditions. So we have one condition for 50-day. Let's add another, and this will be another moving average of return. So we'll go here, moving average of return, and we'll say 35 days. And this is going to be Bitcoin. And we're also going to say we want this to be greater than 0. Okay, there we go. So now we have two conditions that have to be true. All right. Then we'll go into Bitcoin, BTC. And when that's not true, we'll go to Tether. And there we go. All right, let's test it again. Okay, so now we've improved so that we're doing better than the first two. We also have a lower drawdown. So this is pretty good considering, because you avoided losing almost 77% of your money waiting for Bitcoin to come back. And so that can make you sleep a little better. Here's in green, we see the system that I just put in. And you can see as of today's date, we just started to turn up with that green line. So that could be the beginning of a rally. We'll see how that goes. In any case, I still think that we can do better. And since we can trade up to, I think it's 20 different coins, all pretty well known, established coins, what I'm going to do is say, well, okay, let's use the trend of Bitcoin, which this is a positive trend, but we're going to not trade Bitcoin. Let's trade other currencies, other coins. All right. So what I've done here is when Bitcoin is greater than the moving average of return for both the 35 and the 50 day, we're going to choose the top 4 coins over the last 25 days. All right. Let's see what that does. Whoa. 104% annualized with barely a little more drawdown than the previous one. So we've quadrupled our returns with less risk, actually, when you see the Sharpe ratio. What does that look like? It kind of looks similar to the Bitcoin one. That's because we're using Bitcoin as the basis for these trades. But when the market starts going, these other coins can move a lot faster and higher than Bitcoin. So this is an example for crypto today. If you'd like to, please subscribe and use the link below to explore. You can get that referral code. Use that, and you can get a good deal on opening an account. And put a comment in. And if you're interested in joining the group, let me know, and I'll reach out to you. Okay.